I am Mithila. I am from INIMT Deccan, Pune. I take workshops over here. Today we are going to learn how to make 4 different type of bookmarks. The material which we need is a paintbrush, palette, pencil, sparkle, poster paints, punching machine, fevi-stick, sellotape and water. These are the cut bookmarks. You can take it in any measurement you want. This is a card sheet, a handmade sheet, and this is of any shape you like. You can take a square, you can take a circle or a triangle. Or take one bookmark and you can draw anything on that you want. I am going to draw Warli painting on it. First draw it with the pencil. You can do whatever formation you want. The placement is of your choice. This is the formation which I have formed of Warli. You can make your own formations however you want on the bookmark and place the figures any way you want. After we have drawn the Warli, now we are going to paint it. We'll take black color. Take black color in the palette. Add water if needed. Then start painting. This is the way we paint. We have to paint all the figures this way. This is the way the painting is done. The painting is complete now. The bookmark is complete. Now the painting is complete. The Warli painting is done. Now we are going to do the punching to the bookmark. We take a punching machine, place the bookmark and punch it. Then you have to put a ribbon inside the hole. And tie a knot, and your bookmark is complete. Now we are going to start with the second bookmark. In that we are going to draw, cut, paste it on the bookmark. We'll need a drawing paper for that. You can draw any design you want. A simple design. You draw it. You draw the design. You can use any color you want. Now paint the design. You can also place a border if you want to the bookmark. You can decorate it however you want. Completing the painting. The painting is complete now. Now you have to cut it out with a scissor. Cut the picture properly with fine edges. Now cut the border. You have to do all the cutting when the painting is completely done and the paint is completely dry. Now the cutting is done. Now the cutting is completely done. Now you have to see which placement you want, how you want to place. Then you have to take a sellotape. You have to roll the sellotape. You have to place it behind the cutting and then stick it. So you get a 3D effect. You have to do the same for the others also. Roll the sellotape, place it behind, and then stick it. If the design is a bit bigger, take 2 sellotape and then place it behind. Then stick it however you want. Sellotape, roll it and place it behind. Place it. The remaining extra, cut it out. And your bookmark is ready with a 3D effect to it. Now, when everything is done, you have to again punch one side. Now if you don't want to disturb the design, you can punch it over here and place a ribbon inside like the previous one. Tie a knot. This is optional, not necessary, it's not compulsory to put the ribbon. You can if you want. If you don't want to, you can just leave it as it is. The second bookmark is complete. Now we'll start with the third bookmark. For that we'll need a glitter pen. You can write any caption in that. We're going to write a caption. You can write it with a glitter pen. The caption will be of your choice. The paper which we are using is a handmade sheet. You get many colors in handmade sheets. You can use any sheet you want. Now the writing is done. Now for decoration you can use a sparkle outliner. You can draw lines, you can draw floral prints, anything of your choice. The sparkle gives a shining effect to the bookmark and it looks appealing. You can also add, you can fill this part over here. After completing this, let it dry for some time. The bookmark is complete now. We have decorated it. Now what you have to do is take a OHP sheet, cut it in the same size as the bookmark, place it on it and punch it together. After punching it, take a ribbon and put it through the hole. And tie a knot. So the OHP sheet and the bookmark are together. Now your bookmark is complete. Now we will be taking the fourth bookmark, which is in handmade paper. This is the handmade paper. You can take any color you want. You can draw a design with a pencil first, roughly, and then you can decorate it however you want. You can use sparkle. You can draw any design you want. You can also use glitter pens of any color. You can also use sequences. These are the sequences. You can use 2 to 3 colors. Fevicol, and then stick on it. Place the sequences properly with equal distance. This is complete. Now let this dry, let the sparkle, let it dry. You can make any design you want with the sparkle outliner. Anything. You can add something over here if you want. Don't use many colors, 3 to 4 colors, so that it doesn't look gaudy. More than enough. The bookmark is complete. It is fully dried. Now take a OHP sheet, cut it in the same shape as the bookmark, place it on it and punch it with a punching machine. Now insert a ribbon So the OHP sheet and the handmade paper, the bookmark is attached to each other and your bookmark is complete. Now the 4 bookmarks are complete. Now they're ready for use.